Vinnie Valentino, Abudadein were all even at one fall apiece and getting down to the nitty-gritty. I don't know exactly how much time is left, but I know it can't be very much. Full Nelson by Abudadein on Valentino. Valentino just slides right out from under it, using those feet again. Those legs, rolls him up. He's got those shoulders down, and Abudadein took a 2 count. Valentino's outside the ropes. That'll force a break. Is that going to be a clean break? Nope, not really. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go in our main event. It's just been announced. Vinnie Valentino fighting again with those legs, those feet. Each one finding its mark. But now, Abudadein biting. Abudadein just biting the forehead of Vinnie Valentino. And now he's got Valentino against the turnbuckle and biting some more. Abudadein turning vampire in there or something on Vinnie Valentino. One, two, and Valentino kicks out. Abudadein just was just burying his teeth right into the forehead of Valentino. Rake across the face. Here comes a whip into the ropes. Goes Valentino. Abudadein misses. And Vinnie Valentino flying body press. 1, 2, and then Abudadein kicks out. 60 seconds to go in our main event as Vinnie Valentino goes with a body slam. And Valentino knee drop right across the forehead of Abudadein. Valentino goes for the pin, and Abudadein kicks out. Rip Oliver's up here in the crow's nest. We'll be talking to Rip Oliver right after this match. And let you see that Vinnie Valentino had a hold of Abudadein's beard. He had a beard lock on him. Forearm smash. Another forearm smash. He's got Abudadein against that turnbuckle, and Abudadein comes back, rakes across the face. A left-handed smash into the chest, and out goes Vinnie Valentino onto that concrete floor. We're down now to just a few seconds left in our main event. It may end with Valentino outside of the ring. This is not the way Valentino would want it to end, but it has. Right there's the bell. Valentino, Abudadein battling to a draw.